Party one after the other race on to raise life out of the ground. Fields of moments and memories just waiting to burn under the raging fire of little time. He frittered the day just to cry later, but now he refuses. It should not be the rehearsed neglect of the episodes of a weekend ceremony, but rather the accommodating pause of the films due from a roaring circus year round. Only now can the traveler take his chance to see what he desires. The stories told can rest in the hands of his newfound time.